Okay, so for this limit, we want to find the infinite limit, or the limit as x goes to infinity, of 5x minus 1 divided by 4x squared minus 3x minus 2. And the technique for all of these limit problems is to divide the entire numerator and denominator of all these rational functions by the highest power of x that occurs in the denominator. So in that case, we're going to divide through by an x squared. So we're going to find the limit as x goes to infinity, and we're going to have a 5x minus 1 over a 4x squared minus 3x minus 2, and we're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by a 1 over x squared, and then distribute that 1 over x squared to each of those terms. So that'll be equal to the limit as x goes to infinity of 5x over x squared minus 1 over x squared divided by 4x squared over x squared minus 3x over x squared, and finally minus 2 over x squared. Now we'll simplify down, and that'll be the limit as x goes to infinity of 5 divided by x minus 1 over x squared. And then down below in our denominator, that's 4 minus 3 over x minus 2 over x squared. We can now take the limit of each of these terms, and in doing so, we can find the value of our limit. So it's going to be the limit as x goes to infinity of 5 over x minus the limit as x goes to infinity of 1 over x squared divided by the limit as x goes to infinity of 4 minus the limit as x goes to infinity of 3 over x minus the limit as x goes to infinity of 2 over x squared. And we can now see that the first limit in our numerator is going to just be 0, because as x goes to infinity, the fraction 5 over x goes to 0. So that's 0. The limit up there as well next to it minus the limit as x goes to infinity of 1 over x squared. That goes to 0 as well. Down below, we've got the limit of a constant, so it stays 4, minus the limit as x goes to infinity of 3 over x. That's 0. And then finally, the limit as x goes to infinity of 2 over x squared is 0 as well. So this limit is going to be 0 divided by 4, or just 0. So therefore, the limit as x goes to infinity of the rational function 5x minus 1 divided by 4x squared minus 3x minus 2 is 0.